Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Lights, Lacquer, Relaxi Taxi, and Aurora, Gaylord, Opryland, and Beauty Big Bang 07, and the Bundle Monster Stamping Guide SG02. I've started off with Baby Girl Lacquer, Glitter Be Gone, and here is Relaxi Taxi, beautiful yellow cream. So let's get into it. So I do love the brush. Not really a huge fan of wearing, this shade of yellow on my nails, but we're going to make it work. It's not one of the polishes I gravitate to as far as color goes. I like pinks and purples and blues and whatever, but this is just not my favorite. I'm going to cap my free edge here, but the polish itself is going on great. It's leveling out, beautiful formula, no problems with it. Hi Witty, how you doing? So here we go. We're going to go in with our second coat of Relaxi Taxi. Get that on there, nice and smooth. And we're going to, and there it is on its own. We're going to top this with Aurora, Gaylord, Opryland from last year's Polish and Beauty Expo. Get it together, Tina. So here we go. We're just going to put a coat of that on. And I do realize it's covering up that yellow. This is how I'm making it work, y'all. I figured all those metallic flakies would jump off of that yellow nail. And we'd be able to see all the colors. I'm going to top it with some Out the Door by I&M. Get that to dry down because we've got some playing to do. There we go. Beautiful. Lovely. Kept that free edge. All right. That's how I know it was I&M's Out the Door. So there's my swatch photo of that. Beauty Big Bang 07. I'm going to use that image up there, but I'm not going to use all of it. We'll be using the opaque white from She Modern Sticky Stamp and Polish. And we got a monocle stamper and my H. La Corsador scraper. So I'm going to apply the polish to the plate. I'm going to scrape it and then scrape it again. And then we take the stamper and we're going to use that image. You can take your time with the sticky polishes from She Modern. They're actually, you need to give them a little bit more time. So if you're like me and you've learned to do it like really, really fast, you need to slow your roll and you'll be happy you did. Look how good that turned out. So I'm going to clean my stamper off on a lint roller. I'm going to clean that image off because we're going to be needing it again. So here we go. Get some fuzzies. All right. So here's the Bundle Monster, it's the Stamping Guide, and it's SG02, and I'm fixing to show you how you use this. So you apply your polish to the stamping plate like you normally would, and you give it a good scrape with your scraper card, and then you, oops, come on, Tina. So then you pick out an image, and I'm going to stamp, and it just pulls up just that part of the image. I do like this. I think this is very neat. First time I've ever played with it, so I'm going to have to play with it again sometime. And now I'm going to try to line this up. I don't do just the bestest job, but that's okay. It's still good. It's a little cattywamped, but I'm okay with it, considering it's my first time playing with this. So we're going to do it again. You scrape and then you lay this over the top of the image and then pick up the image, clean up any excess off your stamper. There we go. And then apply it to your nail. At least I'm going off to the side the same way on all of them. That way I can say, I meant to do that. Right? Right, ladies? Get that stamping guide out here. Pick up the image. Clean up the excess. And you can do that with the sticky stamping polishes because they need a little more time anyway. And then apply it to the nail. Lovely. And now time for some cleanup. So I've cleaned off my stamper, and look, everything's sticking together. Ugh, it's all good. So I'm going to clean the plate off with pure acetone. If I can get it to act right, it's jumping all over the place. And then I'm going to clean up my little mat too. Get everything put back so next time I'm ready to play, it's ready. Oh, yes. And this one's a little tougher to clean because it's got those big open spots. But I just wanted to get it, you know, all the polish off of it. You can tell that cotton's grabbing it. Alright. So now we're going to do the cleanup on the skin around my nails. And I'm just going in with a piece of tape and getting up what I can. This way. Alright, and now for the cleanup brush and my acetone. You can use nail polish remover. I just prefer the acetone. You know, but it's what you like to use. There we go. I'm going to top these with the Maniology smudge-free top coat. That way I seal in that stamping without smearing it. And once that's dry, today I'm going to be using Poshe top coat to finish this manicure off. And in the end, I really did like it. It's a little funky, but you guys know I'm drawn to that sort of thing. So we're pretty happy with how this one turned out. But I would like to hear what you think about it. If you'd like to leave me a comment down below and let me know. Hi Woody, how you doing? Gotta get that glob out from under there. And then a regular tidying up. Thank you, Woody. Here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.